Hey guys, how's it going? Phil here from PRC Taping again with another quick video for you. Today I'm going to be talking about cleaning and maintaining your Columbia corner Cobra. So I'm going to start off by talking about how I properly clean my Columbia corner Cobra. And while I'm using it, what I like to do is I like to keep it in a pail of water. And what that does is that just keeps any mud from hardening on the inside of the Cobra here. While I'm using it, I'll install an inside 45, let's say. I'll leave it in the bucket of water, install it, and then when I'm finished the job, then I'll go ahead and I'll do this next step. So what I do is I just take my brush and I make sure I turn these wheels inside and out to get any hard mud that's maybe built up inside from, say, installing for a few hours. And when it's warm in the house, the mud will dry pretty quick. So you want to make sure you just take a brush and you clean all the inside of those wheels. And now you just take a brush and water in a bucket and I just clean that out. If you have a pressure washer, that works really well too. So what I like to do after I clean is I just make sure all these wheels are spinning freely and there's no dried mud where I can't see it. And then I'll just give it a quick spray with some oil. Now, if for some reason one of these wheels breaks or they wear out over time, you can replace these, and here is the link to the maintenance kit right here down below. And so the maintenance kit comes with all 4 of these center wheels, and it comes with the 4 outside wheels, and it also comes with another set of bigger wheels for, say, when you're installing a no-coat 450 or a Trimtex Fast Edge 450. So those wheels are easily removed by those nuts on the outside here and the bolts on the inside there. So like I said, the kit comes with 4 bigger outside wheels when you're dealing with bigger off angles like No Coat 450 or Trimtex Fast Edge 450. And that's just a quick look on how I clean and maintain my Columbia corner Cobra. Thanks for watching.